I have a test on Monday about Parkinson's disease that I should be studying for, but I got in the mood to make a video. So, hi. I should be fine. The answer should be carbidopa, levodopa half the time anyway, which is the medication for Parkinson's disease. So, I should be okay. So, we're good. But that is not why you clicked on this video. You clicked on this video because you want to know how to make money in crypto as a complete idiot. Because, let's face it, I know my audience. Guys, this is a joke. That was a joke. I can already see half of you reaching for the unsubscribe button. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Please. Yeah, like the video. Subscribe to Crypto Nerd. Crypto Nerd is hilarious. Subscribe to Crypto Nerd. Okay. Now, pay attention. Follow along. I switched the screen. Oh, wait. I already have it. I've gone way too far. Let's start from the very beginning. Okay, start from the beginning. What we're going to do, we're going to type in Trading View. Now, I am an education channel. I am a crypto education channel. You know what that means? That means my watch time is inevitably going to be trash. It's going to suck. But I'm going to try to make this as entertaining as possible. So you have to watch the whole thing, guys, and subscribe to Crypto Nerd. Anyway, you type in TradingView, you click it, and then you go to crypto, and you type in whatever coin you want. We're going to keep it easy. We're going to hit Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to full screen this. And there's a lot of stuff going on here. Don't worry about this. This is what I have going. Okay. I know none of you know how to read charts. Maybe some of you do. You've seen a chart, but don't worry. I'm gonna expect that none of you know what any of this is. We're gonna start really simple. What are those things? What are these things? Right? What is this scary thing? These things are called candles. Each one of these like blocks. So a candle is made up. I'm just going to draw up here. Guys, this is a candle. It looks like this, right? Okay. The top line right here is called a wick. This is the wick of the candle. The middle, the body, is called the body of the candle. Each candle, I didn't mean to do that. Each candle represents 1 day, assuming you're on the day time length. It depends what time length you're set on, but stick with day. Day is the best. And then anyway, the down here, if the candle is green, that's good. That means it opened the day down here and it closed the day up here. Opposite of that, if it's red, it started up here and it closed the day. When the day ended, the price was down here. But Crypto Nerd, what are these wicks? The lines up here. Don't worry, I got you. By the way, guys, none of this is financial advice. I should have said that earlier, but I have no memory, so I'm saying it now. The wick is the top of the wick is the highest the price got during the day, because it might go up and then it comes back down and closes the day here. The bottom of the wick is, I'm sure, really tough to guess, guys, is the lowest the price got during that day. So you should be at TradingView, and now you know how to read candles. It's that easy, guys. I know you see on YouTube, you see all these guys that are like, they draw lines everywhere, and they're like, this is, I have to be super advanced. I need 20 monitors and 5,000 things going on. Otherwise, I'm completely lost. That is not actually how you you trade. The realistic thing is, you always need to keep it simple. Anyway, but the question is, well, Crypto Nerd, that's great. But how do I know what to buy? How do I know if it's a good time to buy or not? And this is where things get a little bit crazier. But as always, we're going to keep this really simple. You need to look for an upward trend. The trend is your friend till the end. Guys, write that down. You want to see a chart that looks like this. You want to go up and you want to set a higher low. It goes up. That's a higher high, right? You're going up, down, up, down, up. But you are setting higher highs, right? This high is higher than this high. This high is higher than this high, and so on. This low is higher than this low. So these are all good things. You want to be in a chart that looks like this, higher highs and higher lows. If your coin looks like this, not good. You don't want to buy this coin. This coin is trending down. The trend is your friend. You don't buy that coin. If it looks like this, And that means it's chopping. It's going sideways. It's got no trend. That means we don't know. Maybe you could try to buy when it's at the bottom of the range and sell at the top of the range, but you're playing a risky game there. But hey, that's one strategy. If your chart looks like, like this, then I don't know what you're looking at. Then you're doing something wrong. That's something's gone really horribly wrong. That's what my test is going to look like. Okay, so let's just zoom out. This is the Bitcoin chart. Now, what do you guys applying what we've learned? Should you buy Bitcoin? Obviously, yes. Bitcoin is in a strong uptrend since its inception, right? It's just been like basically straight up. Obviously, guys, Bitcoin has cycles. It has cycles. It goes up a lot and it goes down a lot. But right now, we are seeing a strong uptrend, which suggests we want to be in this coin. So Bitcoin looking really, really good. By the way, I have a secret thing at the very end that's going to make your life so easy. You're going to be like, this is insane. I kind of want to find another random coin where I can like show you what not to buy. Okay, here we go. Here's Polygon. Now, let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. You can see a trend here. You can see a trend. Now tell me, what does this look like to you? Is this a coin we want to buy? Not good. Not good at all. No. So I am not going to buy this coin because I don't like that trend. I want something that goes up because I like money. Let's take a look at one more just to really, I'm going to look one up just to really set the message, really send the message. Okay. We have this coin. It had a really big pump when it first launched, but since then, I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is bad. I guess it did technically set a higher high here, but it just went back down. So again, this coin not looking so good. You know what? Just because I feel like it, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna look at it because these are popular. These are popular. Let's take a look at this one. Sui, really popular coin right now. I'm sure you know what to do with this chart. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Looking really great. Looking really, really great. That's basically it, guys. It is that simple. Wait. Don't click off. Don't click off. I have to show you something. So we're going to wrap up this section. You type in whatever coin you want on TradingView. Okay? You look at the direction of the candles. If they're trending up, that is a good sign for that coin. If it's trending down, that is a bad sign for that coin. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Now, what if I told you there is something even more amazing that can do all the work for you? Check this out. If you hit this indicators tab and you type in super trend, and you hit this, now this can do all of the work for you. Now, all you have to do is, and you hit save up here. What did that say? Does that say subscribe? Make sure to subscribe to Crypto Nerd. I like that TradingView. Very, very good. Now, all you have to do is when it flashes a buy signal, you buy. And then you wait. And then soon you're going to look at the chart and it's going to flash. It's going to say sell. It'll flash a sell signal. And then you sell. And then you wait until it says buy again. And then that's when you buy. It's really this simple. And, if you look at, the movies or the YouTubers that are like, oh, you have to do all this stuff. You have to, let's analyze this chart. Let's analyze this chart. Okay, now I have to draw all these lines and look at the phases of the moon to understand what the future. And then let me examine my crystal ball. No. Really, really simple. You got to look at the trend, and then you just got to follow the trend. The trend is your friend. I need a sip of water. Works on any coin. Let's go to Arrow, random coin. It's sell. So we should not buy this coin yet. Okay? Bam. I go to another coin, Uniswap. This flashed a sell signal. I don't buy this coin yet because there's no buy signal down here. Let's take a look at Solana. Oh, look at that. Flashed a buy signal down here. That's when you should have bought. Guys, it is this easy. You go to TradingView, create an account, Yeah, yep. Pull up the charts of the coins. Oh, by the way, just so you know, if you want to add one to like your sidebar here, hopefully I'm not covering it. You type in whatever coin you want, Bitcoin, because we like to keep things simple, and you just click the plus button, and it'll show up over here on the right. And then now you can just like click between them. Super easy. There is only one man who gives you such amazing information, and that is Crypto Nerd. So make sure you subscribe and you like this video. Do it 10 times if you have to with all of your alt accounts. Very, very good. Now, I need to make you aware of amazing resource. I have an AI trading assistant custom developed for you guys in the Discord. Check this out. You can do /info, any coin you want. Let's just do Bitcoin. I'm going to keep things simple and boring. Don't click off yet. Don't click off yet. This is crazy. And it pulls up a description about it. Because I know you watch other crypto YouTubers. I know you do. And they tell you to buy coins that you don't know what they are. Now you can check what they are. Gives you some details about it. It gives you, we've got a built-in tokenomics rating system. So like, look, this is the best way to avoid scams. Boom. Bitcoin gets a 100 out of 100. We also have market reports that are automatically posted. This is the first prototype. We got more stuff coming. You want to be in the Discord, and it'll analyze these like indicators for you and tell you whether to buy or sell. But I do gotta say that this is for members only. You got to get a membership, but you should get a membership so that way I can buy more Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, bye. Thanks. Subscribe to Crypto Nerd.